At Tom's Guide and Perch Labs, we test hundreds of products to find the very best for your needs and wallet. The Google Chromecast Ultra is a small but powerful 4K player that works with your existing setup and costs less than $100. If you dig a little deeper though, you'll find significant shortcomings in its design, functionality, and channel selection. The Chromecast Ultra is a circular dongle that connects magnetically to its own HDMI connector. And unlike the smaller Chromecast, which draws its power from your TV's USB port, the Ultra requires a constant connection to an outlet. The power adapter is huge, and the cord at 5.5 feet isn't nearly long enough. There's no denying that it's pretty to look at, but its setup and functionality really lacks substance. Given how much power a 4K machine needs to draw, it would have made more sense to maybe use a small box design instead of a small dongle. It's really a mismatch of form and function. The Ultra's interface is remarkably simple. Download the Google Home app on your iOS or Android device, or get the Google Cast extension in your Chrome browser. You can download the apps you want from the Google Play Store or iTunes. Each app will have a cast button built in, which streams content to your TV. You're free to use your phone as you normally would while your shows and music stream, and when you need to control volume, rewind, fast forward, pause, all that stuff, you just use your phone too. But using your phone as a remote means that you're relying on a device that sees heavy usage with limited battery life. A remote control with a couple AA's will last for years. You're lucky if you get 8 hours out of your phone. It's difficult to get an accurate estimate of the number of Chromecast apps available, and that's partially because it's difficult to find Chromecast apps beyond the major players. What's important is that they have all the usual suspects: Netflix, Hulu, HBO Now, Google Play, Spotify, Pandora, YouTube. But because Google and Amazon still aren't compatible, you can't use your Chromecast to stream Amazon Video. And that's a real bummer because Amazon Video is one of the only providers of unique 4K content. The Ultra is faster than its predecessor. Opening programs seldom took more than 5 seconds, and some apps achieved full HD resolution in just a second or two. Of course, the speed of your streaming player will depend in large part on your internet connection, but with a strong connection, it'll run very, very fast. The Chromecast Ultra is only $70, and for that you get access to your most used apps, you get a device that broadcasts gorgeous 4K HDR video, and the controls are extremely easy to use. Really, the only reason to stay away from the Ultra is if you're already heavily invested in the Amazon ecosystem